Is it safe to eat raw oats?
Welcome to today's video. In this video, we'll be discussing whether it's safe to eat raw oats. Let's dive right into it.
What are oats?
Oats are a cereal grain that is commonly consumed in various forms like rolled oats, steel-cut oats, and instant oats. They are packed with nutrients, such as fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals, making them a popular choice for a healthy breakfast.
Can you eat raw oats?
The short answer is, yes, you can eat raw oats. Raw oats are not only safe to eat but also provide a range of health benefits. However, there are some important aspects to consider when consuming raw oats. Are raw oats nutritious? Raw oats are rich in nutrients like fiber, protein, and essential vitamins and minerals. However, some studies suggest that cooking oats can help to break down phytic acid, which can inhibit the absorption of certain minerals. So, while raw oats are nutritious, cooking them might enhance their nutritional value. Are raw oats easy to digest? Oats contain soluble and insoluble fiber that is beneficial for digestion. However, raw oats can be harder to digest for some people as their starch content is not fully broken down. Cooking oats can make them easier to digest by softening the fiber and breaking down the starch. Is there a risk of contamination? Though oats are generally safe to eat raw, there is a small risk of bacterial contamination. As with any raw food, proper storage and handling are essential to minimize the risk. Always store your oats in a cool, dry place and use clean utensils when handling them. In conclusion, it is safe to eat raw oats as long as you take proper precautions to minimize the risk of contamination. However, you may find that cooking oats can enhance their nutritional value and make them easier to digest. So, feel free to enjoy raw oats, but don't hesitate to cook them if you prefer.